Who was the first president of India? Correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Which was the first Indian satellite launched into space? Correct answer is Aryabhat. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Indian born man to climb Mount Everest? Correct answer is Avtar Singh Chima. Who was the first Indian born woman to climb Mount Everest? Correct answer is Bachendri Pal. Who was the first Indian woman to win Olympic medal? Correct answer is Karnam Malleshwari. Which was the first Indian film nominated for an Oscar? Correct answer is Mother India. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar? Academy Award of Merit. Correct answer is Bhanu Athaiya. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Correct answer is Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma. Thank you.